Okay, gods. Tara, idol. Mga bossing,
I've been
panoorin
waiting for
natin
you,
muna to.
Rookie. Oh, worried about the girl, is that it? That's just like you. You always had poor judgment. But if you think I'm gonna let
Only
you out
money
of
ka na nun,
here
tapos meron ka pa
alive,
first aid.
you're even
Next time,
more
idol.
naive than
Talaga.
I thought.
Next time natin yan. Sa unang playthrough na lang,
Can't
para at
save
least
her. You
sa una
can't
pa lang,
save
unlimited
anyone.
ammo na tayo.
Give it up, Krauser.
Testing natin yan.
Being a lackey for these maniacs.
At
won't
lalagyan
bring
din
them
natin
back.
ng clip yan. Tapos
And what the
upload
hell for?
natin. Para at least ma-share natin sa
Revenge
mga
of the
ibang
government?
viewers, no?
You
Thank you,
think
thank
they
you,
would
thank
want
you.
that?
Revenge. You think I'm doing all this for revenge?
Isn't that what this is all about?
See, in that jungle, I had a revelation. The most important thing in this world is pure, unadulterated power. Those Illuminados have given me that.
Oh,
You know
talaga
you were
ba?
always an asshole. But at least you had some kind of code. Some honor. Look at you now.
Enough reminiscing.
Ang forma ni Leon, no? Habang
Move out
naipaglaban.
and draw fire, soldier.
Okay, tara, laban na, guys.
Better run, rookie.
Talaga ba?
Okay.
Ito ko, sige. Ano pa? Kaya pa, pre? Ano? Nabulog siya, ano? Sinunod-sunod sa ulo.
Who knows what's become of the girl?
Ano makukuha rito eh? Di ba? Meron. Sa lagubang. Hindi pa, pre. Hindi ko pa na-try mag-mod. Shoutout sa'yo. Guys, magandang gabi. Hindi ko pa nga alam kung paano yung mag-mod na yun. Yung ano, papalitan yung character. May nakakatawang ang mod na iba eh, yung parang nakabaliwa yung mukha nila. Chong, marami talagang patibong to. Kaya ingat-ingat din. Minsan, nagbabato siya ng ano eh. Yung araw na may bomba ba? Tara guys, focus muna, focus. Wait lang, no? Shoutout muna sa inyo guys, magandang gabi. Papalo naman ng ating stream guys sa mga hindi pa nakapalo, and share and like ng ating live. Thank you so much talaga.
You remember the fight in the jungle? We barely made it out alive.
May binubulong pa pa. Ano patibong yan, no?
Think.
Hindi pwedeng ma-detonate yata yun eh, no?
He's turned this place into one big trap. And I can't fight him on his terms.
Ano? Ano, kala mo makakaisa ka ha? Thank you sa tip. Boss Ace dyan, barilin lang Hindi pwede yatang ma-detonate to eh, yung mga trap dito. Pero pa yan Bakit din?
Die, rookie.
Bakit din? Alam mo Uy! Takot ka naman pala eh. Patago-tago ka eh. Saan ba kabutin tayo? Uy, thank you sa may nag-gift. Maraming salamat. Kung sino man yun, sorry, hindi ko napansin. Thank you guys. Meron mga ano rito? Ay, ito. Nang rarat-rat yan eh. Meron pa isa rito. Ito, one hit lang. Hindi pwedeng tamaan. Eddie, don't. Guys, tara, samahan nyo akong kalabanin natin si Krauser. Kalaban natin ngayon si Krauser. Jack Krauser pala yung buong
I'm
pangalan.
no stranger to covert tactics,
Diba ang ingay?
remember?
How can I forget?
Shit.
Hoy, wag ka. Pamaunahan mo ako. Hindi nagro-notify yung TikTok ko.
I love a
May
good
TikTok. Ayusin ko nga yan later.
Still alive, huh? You got lucky.
Get lucky pa talaga ha. Kotong ka mamaya sa ano mo, trainee mo. Ops, dito na lang. Dami nating life. Send na muna natin to sa ano. Uy, ikaw pa. Ayan. May laser oh.
I admit, you've done well to stay alive this long.
I'd be dead if I kept listening to people like you.
Oy,
Won't last long moving like that. The Reaper
magulo.
cowards and careless alike. Which are you?
Labas, sige labas.
I don't know. Guess I'll ask when I see him.
Uy, uy, uy. Ouch!
Well, you've really gone all out for
Makatama ka
me.
niyan ha.
You shouldn't have.
Anything to make the pretty boy feel special.
Tago ka na ba ng tago eh. Saan na siya? Ay, hindi na siya lumabas.
You passed
Oy,
with
oy.
flying colors.
Sumayang balak mo ha. Granada yan ha. Hindi natin nakuha yung magnum natin guys. Wait. Ang dami natin flashback. Gagawin natin dyan. Gamitin nga natin.
This is it, soldier.
Flashback. Ayan o.
Making mistakes.
I'm not falling for your mind games. Sure you don't need a breather?
Abot.
That arm of yours must be killing you.
Eh!
Opening a new one is the best way to forget an old one. Off your head.
Abot pre, sorry. Grabe ka. Makulit. Grabe ka na.
You're really doing this? It's not too late.
We are two
makulit.
sides of the same coin. Guess that means we'll never see eye.
Takbo na siya.
Are we done here,
Ambush
Krauser?
yan. Hindi, kaya natin yan, idol.
Again.
Kaya na magta-transform na siya. So malakas ka na yan, porket meron kang
Do
ganyan.
what's necessary. That's the difference
Mayabang ka na yan.
between you and me, Loki.
Oh, labang ah. Flex yan. Flex ka, flex yan. Flexing ka pa yan ah.
Time to finish your training.
Hindi natin nadala yung magnum natin.
Witness the power!
Eh, sige, ayos lang.
You've lost it
Laban na to.
completely, Krauser.
Oy, sorry. Alam mo ah. Gulat ako sa'yo ah.
So that's your true power? Oh, I'd ask for a refund.
Mapambasag din to talaga si Leon eh. PC gamit mo, boss. Shoutout sa'yo, ano? The Great One, magandang gabi. Oo, naka-PC. PC gamit ko, Lods. PC gamit, PC. Palatakbo ka naman.
I can't wait to see you ride!
I can wait, ikaw nga yung palatakbo. Guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi. Guys, please follow our stream live sa mga hindi pa nakapollow and pa-share and like na rin. Thank you sa suporta. So, Resident Evil 4 Remake ang game natin ngayon and kasalukuyan tayong nakikipagbardagulan kay Jack Krauser.
Training's not done. Last lesson
Lenovo
starts
Legion, yun ba yung
right
ano? Parang ano na, Portagon, parang PSP. Yung parang ang mahal nun no? Parang nasa 30k plus
Time
din
for
yun,
the
no?
teacher to be taught.
Oh, such confidence.
Oo, kaya yun dun. Ito, Resident Evil. Ito na, wait lang guys. Focus lang. Aray ko. May pang shield siya. Daya mo. Daya ka, madaya ka. Sorry.
I didn't expect anything less. After all,
Makulit.
I know your potential better than anyone. It's a damn shame you can't see the truth. Give up. My strength is without you.
Sorry.
Strength is everything.
Dito tayo sa taas.
Protect nothing.
The way you're going, there won't be anything left to protect. You'd have known that once.
That's where you're wrong. I didn't know a damn thing.
Ay!
Now I do.
Makulit. Wait lang. Easy. Hindi pa rin sapat.
You can't deny this power.
Wala na ako ano.
And turn into a freak like you. You gotta be out of your mind.
Always trying to
Makulit.
come in. Beat that out of you.
Wait lang. Wala na tayong buhay. Focus na nga lang. Bilis. Baba. Wait lang. Para maluwag.
For me, I'll give him that. He said you and not some good for nothing grunts.
Nakatalon siya.
Yes. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Come at me,
Tayong shotgun.
show me.
Nakalimutan kasi natin yung Magnum, guys.
Don't stop.
Ayun! Isang granadahan na lang pala. PC handheld, boss. Oh, yun nga yung parang ano, di ba? Yung parang siyang handheld na PSP, parang ganun.
We have to.
Para at least kahit saan mo siya dalihin, ganun. Magkano na yung mga presyohan ng mga ganun? Boss, ano, The Great One. Mahal din ng mga ganun, di ba? Yung ano, napapanood ko yan eh. Tas libre na yung mga laro doon pag nag-avail ka sa kanila. Marami ka ng games na malalaro talaga doon. Goods din yon sa mga ano, laging gustong maglaro kahit saan. Baon mo lagi. Ayun, tinuluyan niya na nga yung teacher niya. So, next na kalaban natin dito,
Leon.
si Sadler na. Si Sadler na, guys.
That you did, Major.
He did Major. Major niya pala yan, no?
That you did.